Hello everybody. So today on Noel's Family Garage, Kian and I decided to try to get the old minivan running that we took all the airbags out of, and we're gonna see if we can get her start. I haven't had it running ever, so we got a battery in it. I'll show you guys that. There's Kian. He's out here helping me today, so, and you can check out his channel too at Kian Noel's Outdoors. So we actually got a battery. I got this old battery that kind of holds a charge, but somebody cut all the ends off the wires, and where this isn't going to go back on the road ever again, we're just screwing around with it. We sandwiched all the wires between two layers right there, pretty tight in there, so they won't come out. But since we're just playing with it at the house, we don't care anyway. Put the air cleaner box back in. Now we just got the battery charger on here. Do you want to try starting it, Kian, and see if it'll start? Yeah. Kian's going to go ahead and try to start it up real quick, and then we'll go from there and see if it'll even run. Yeah, she tips like usual, but she runs, I guess. Sounds like crap. Well, let's shut it off, Kian, and we'll check everything else out real quick so we don't hurt it until later. So she runs so far. I just gotta check all my coolant level and everything else like that, and then we'll dump a little gas in it, and then we'll go for a little ride, maybe out back in the dirt, and see if this thing can do any drifting at all or anything like that, see if it's capable. So we took all the airbags out because we're going to play in the dirt with it, and we really don't want to get hit in the head with an airbag when it comes out. So as you've seen in some of the old videos, like we already went ahead and deployed that one, and it kind of screwed the windshield up a little bit. And then the one on the driver's side, we pulled it out and set it off as well. So this is going to be our new rally around the yard rig out here. So we're going to take it out here in a minute and see if we can play with it out back a little bit without breaking it too bad before we get a chance to go do something else in it. So just giving you guys a walk around of it. That should add about 15 horse. We put some racing stripes over the top of it a while ago, so that should add 15 horse at least. If I had some Summit or some Jegs stickers, we'd put those on too. That'll help add a few more horsepower as well. So we'll get a little gas in this thing and see if we can get it to fire up, and we'll go playing around with it for a minute. So stay tuned, and we'll take you guys along for the ride. Alright, so Kian and I got this thing cleaned out fairly good. We're not going to have any debris flying around landing on us or anything, so I think we're good there. So just going to go up here under the hood real quick. Got to pull off my battery charger, and then we can fire this thing up and go try it out. So stay tuned, and I'll get you guys all set up, and we'll video while we're playing. You'll be able to...
We're cutting the headline.
We're making us a spot we can mount our camera up here. You gotta have something for that to stick to. The saddle. No mouse nest in there.
That was gross.
Just get this stuff out of the way, okay?
There's wires in it.
Way, okay?
There's wires in it.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
They're all freaking arcing. What the hell?
Don't let that touch you. That would suck.
It won't shock you. It's just I need to tie these in a knot so they don't touch each other ever again. There we go.
That would suck.
Ew. Junk. Yeah. Crank it one more time. The relay's working, so just like that. It looks good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull these coil packs out. I think we got maybe a bad one or one that's oily on the bottom. So we'll pull them up out and check them out and see. All right, so since we're getting ready to take this for a little ride, we're gonna have to be able to use that park brake so that we can do some sliding around and stuff. So we'll pull this out and we'll probably put a zip tie around it back in here so it'll stay out. And then we can have even more fun that way. So stay tuned for that, and we'll get with you guys when we're ready to do this. Now we're just gonna throw a couple gallons of gas in this thing, and then we'll take her out for a little ride and see what we can accomplish here. So, see what this does for us. Probably save a little bit of that in case I need it for something else that we're working on. So make sure we put on our gas cap or we'll lose it and run it over. All right, so here in just a minute, me and Kian will get the battery charger off, and we're gonna go ahead and see what this thing can do. But first I need to get some of this plastic stuff and put over this window that's broke out on the driver's side, because it's kind of cold and I kind of like to stay warm even if I'm out being wimpy out in the backyard. I don't want to be cold. So we'll get her together in a minute and we'll go take our little ride. That's all right, we'll give it a shot real quick. There's something metal in there, so that can stay there for a minute, I guess. All right, we're firing this rig up. Unless you want a video while we're doing it, just hold it in your hand and video what I'm doing and whatever else. All right. For some reason, I can't see out the back window very good.
Oh, I wonder why.
Hope I don't run anything over. This damn thing. Oh, it freaking died. That's stupid, huh? This had such crappy gas in it for so long.
Yeah, it might be.
Oh, you son of a bee. I want to try something. I need this thing to run first. I'm gonna roll over that berm.
It's not running at all. It's kind of sucking.
I don't want to run worth of crap.
It's sucking, huh? Is it the alternator? Or is it just the gas?
It's just being a piece of crap. I don't know what the hell its problem is. This freaking thing sucks, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It might be because of that stupid wire that's undone.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out where that goes to. It's gonna make it back to where I need it to, so I can put the charger back on and work on it for a minute. All I want to do is just go crash this thing or rally it for a minute or something. That'd be freaking fun, huh? Alright, I gotta look at some stuff.
I'm trapped in here.
Are you?
Yeah.
Why?
Look.
Oh, that's freaking dumb.
Ugh.
You get out still anyway?
I got it to work.
Shit. I gotta figure where that wire goes. I don't know. It's gotta go somewhere, and it's probably the whole problem because it doesn't run anywhere. Well, that worked good for about 100 feet and then coast back down the driveway. So the fuel pump's out now, so now we're gonna have to get another fuel pump, I guess, for this thing. We'll see if we can find one for cheap and get it going again, just so we can kind of play around with it a little bit. So that's gonna probably wrap it up for this one, so you guys stay tuned and enjoy what we're doing.